So yesterday I talked about how volatile the market is right now with rates, and how between last month and this month, depending on the day, depending on the hour, we've seen rates jump by 1/4 to 0.375 to 0.5% in certain circumstances. So it is easy to say that we're in a volatile market. Now, what this brings to light is new construction. So new construction is what I am seeing a ton of this year. It's really hard to get into contract on a house that is already built. So much competition. So we're seeing more and more people willing to wait 6, 8, 10 months in order to have a home, spec it out, do the whole new construction Pinterest pinboard dream idea. But this rate volatility brings up something that if you're looking at new construction, you definitely want to talk to your lender about. Extended rate options. Yes, so you've got half the market saying rates are going to go up, half the market saying rates are going to go down. Do you really want to wait 8 months until your new home is complete to find out that, oh my God, rates are 0.5% higher than when you qualified and you don't qualify now? Or, oh my goodness, they're 0.5% higher and your monthly payment is more than you want to pay. It's totally out of the ballpark. These are the conversations you want to start having now. So we weren't doing extended lock, at least I wasn't doing extended lock options up until recently because we were in a declining market. So if I look at rates from June of 2020 to, end of January 2021, we were in a decline, right? However, what we saw February 12th and forward is that rates are going up. So it's very important that now you have this conversation with your lender about, number one, do they offer extended lock options? And then number two, for how long? And what's the cost? Yes. So it's not like a lender can lock your loan for 365 days and it's not going to cost you more money than if we lock it for 30 days. The reason is we're tying up a chunk of money. So with us tying up that chunk of money, there is additional fees. So it's a conversation of, does this make sense? Does this not make sense? Here are the pros and the cons of all of this, and really going through it. And you may not know, like every lender's not going to reach out to you and say we should have this conversation. That's really why I'm doing this video, is because, many first-time home buyers buy new construction. Even if you've bought a couple homes, you probably don't know that extended lock options do exist. So you want to make sure you're talking to your lender about what lock options they have for how long, so that if you're in one of those situations where your debt to income's high or you're very payment sensitive, you're not caught off guard by the market. Because that is the worst thing. The worst thing would be if you waited, you're not paying attention, no one's paying attention, and you get to month 8 and, oh my God, rates are up 0.5%, you don't qualify. That would be really bad. So definitely talk to your lender about extended rate options. There's not one set number for any of it. Like, I'm holding this sheet just like, I know you guys can't really see it, but we've got 180 days, 270 days, 360 days, and 365 days. And it varies based on what type of loan it is. Is it conventional? Is it FHA? Is it VA? Are we charging an upfront fee? Are we increasing the rate slightly? Like, there's all these different ways to do it. There's ways to do it where you're paying some money up front. You're not paying money up front. I mean, it is it is pretty intense, the amount of options that we have. So you do want to make sure you're working with a lender that does have some options. If they say to you, we don't have any extended rate lock options, that would make me very nervous. I would always assume that a builder's lender is going to have extended lock options. And I can tell you that we definitely do as well. So new construction, talk about extended lock options. I hope this was helpful. On Thursday, I'm going to be talking about more new builder stuff, how to make sure that when the house is done, you still actually qualify. Thanks for watching.